The unboxing experience is clean and deliberately minimalistic, setting the tone for what the product ultimately delivers in daily use. Opening the packaging, I was greeted by the charging case resting neatly inside, with the earbuds already seated, accompanied by essential documentation. There is no excess or unnecessary flourish here. Everything feels purposeful, efficient, and aligned with Honor's understated design approach. Lifting the charging case for the first time, its compact form factor and surprisingly lightweight immediately stood out. It feels reassuring in the hand, with a smooth, matte finish that resists fingerprints while offering just enough grip to feel secure. The hinge opens smoothly and closes with a subtle firmness that suggests durability and long-term reliability, something I always appreciate in earbuds meant for everyday carry. The earbuds themselves continue this theme of quiet refinement. The semi-open design is instantly noticeable, both visually and physically, setting them apart from traditional, fully sealed in-ear earbuds. Each earbud weighs just 4.8 grams, and yet they never feel fragile. Instead, the materials feel carefully chosen, balancing lightness with structural integrity. This semi-open architecture contributes not only to their distinctive look, but also to their defining characteristic, a sense of airiness and natural presence once worn. Combined with the ergonomic shaping, the earbuds settle into the ear effortlessly, without creating pressure or fatigue. Even after several hours of continuous use, I often forgot I was wearing them at all, which is perhaps the strongest compliment one can give to an audio product focused on comfort.